Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. This is another video of checkpoint revision. So the question that I have taken here is BCD and EFG are parallel line. This line and this line, it is shown parallel with these arrows, right? ACFH is a straight line. ACFH, this is a straight line. Calculate the value of y. We are looking for value of y, right? So now you see there are two variables, two unknowns. One is x, another one is y. So let's find out first x. Here this is a straight line, right? So if this is 110, so 180 minus 110, this angle is going to be 70, right? So this angle is 70. So this we have here the F shape. So that means x and this, they are equal. So x is 70 degrees, which is corresponding angle. Corresponding angle, right? So if this is 70, this internal is also going to be 70 because they are vertically opposite. Now this one here, x is 70. So this whole angle is going to become 70 minus 40, that is 30. Now we have this angle is 30, so we can easily find out this value. Y plus, in this triangle ACD, we have y plus 70 plus 30 is 180. So y plus 100 is 180. So y is 180 minus 100, which is 80, right? So value of y is 80, right? Now number 22, the next question that I have taken here, triangle J is shown in this grid. Triangle J is reflected in line y equals to 3. Y equals to 3 is this line here. Let me draw first the line y equals to 3. Here is y equals to 3. You can just draw a dotted line like this. So what you should label it y equals to 3 and give this triangle the name as K. So we are actually shifting, translating. So this is 1 unit above from the line. So we will take 1 unit down. So this point will come over here, right? The other one from the line is 1, 2, 3 units down. So we will go 3 units up. So 1, 2, 3. Second point is here. Similarly here, this is 1 square down. So we will go 1 square up here. So now just join these points, that is the reflection. It's easy in reflection if the squares you are going to count in opposite direction from the mirror line. So must level this because it say give this triangle the name K, right? Now triangle K is then rotated by 90 degree anti-clockwise. Center is 0, 2. 0, 2 is x0, y2. This is the center. Here we have give the name as L. So we can use tracing paper for that one. So I have this tracing paper here. So this is the easiest way actually to draw the rotation so that you don't make any mistake. So let's trace this shape. We are translating K. So let me just trace K here. It is like this. Okay, so this is star here and our center is here. So I'm going to put a needle on the center. It says 90 degree anti-clockwise. 90 degree, just one rotation. Anti-clockwise, we went on the other side. So that's it. So now you just trace those points. This point here, another one is here, down, this one, and the other one is here. Now just join them. That is the rotation, like this. So this is let's just name them name it, this is L. Okay, So now next question, tick to show each statement is true or false. Now see, first of all let's calculate that. This is 2 plus 3 times square root 36 is 6. So 2 plus 18, which is 20, but it is given 30. So this is false. Now here is 8 times 3, 24 plus 3 and cube root. So this is 27 and cube root is 9. So this is a true statement, right? Now question one we have here. The next question, the diagram shows the graph of 2x plus 3y equals to k. Draw a ring around the value of k. K we can see, I don't know how can I make you simplify this question actually. So let's see. I think in your syllabus you have only the standard form of the equation, which is y equals to mx plus c. So let's see. This equation is 2x plus 3y equals to k. So 3y will be equals to minus 2x plus k. Okay. So y is equal to, divide by 3 the whole equation. So divide by 3, divide by 3. It will be negative 2 over 3x plus k over 3. So k, so this is y intercept, right? So y intercept is equal to k over 3. But from the diagram we have y intercept as 4. So this is c. So which is equal to 4. So from here k is equal to 4 times 3, which is 12, right? So we have to put a ring around 12. Okay, now next we have 0.8 squared. 0.8 squared is 0.8 times 0.8. This is 0.64 minus 0.01 over minus 0.09. So 0.64 minus 0.01, which is 0.63 divided by minus 0.09. So instead of putting minus here, you can just divide it by 9. So this and this is going directly, decimal will get cancelled. So this becomes negative 63 over 9, which is 7. So final answer is going to be negative 7. So I think let's see what is the next question here. The value of x and y satisfy the simultaneous equation. Find the value of 2x minus y. Now remember to read instructions carefully. You are not asked the value of x and y, you are asked the value of 2x minus y. So let's see, we have this equation. What if we just take the value from here and substitute? Let's say this is equation 1 and this is 2. So I will take equation 2. From equation 2 you have 3y equals to 7x plus 14, right? And what is the value of y? Value of y is 4x. 3 into, replace y by the value from equation 1, 7x plus 14. Now expand the bracket. This is 12x minus 6, 7x plus 14. This is 12x minus 7x, 14 plus 6, 5x equals to 20, and x is equal to 4. So once we have x, we can find out y. Y is equal to 4x minus 2. So 4 times 4 minus 2, 16 minus 2, which is 14. So value of y is 14. Now the value of, we need 2x minus y. 2 times x minus y. 8 minus 14, that is minus 6. So final answer is minus 6. Right? This is bit tricky but easier than solving the simultaneous equations in two different ways, right? Now next question, Chen and Hassan each played a game and they can each either win or lose or draw. right? The outcome of Chen's game is independent of outcome of Hassan's game. The probability, find the probability that Chen and Hassan both lose their game. So I will write here for Chen and for Hassan. I'm separating this one. So for Chen, what is the probability of losing? So this is probability that he wins, this is draws, right? And the probability of losing is going to be 1 minus out of these two. There are only three things: win, lose or draw. So total should be 1. So we are going to subtract this. This is 0.6, right? And same for Hassan. Probability to lose is 1 minus 0.5 plus 0.2. So 1 minus 0.7, this is 0.3. Now the question is find the probability that Chen and both lose. Both lose means, so probability of both lose the game is, we are going to multiply 0.6 times 0.3, which is 0.18. So final answer is 0.18. So that's it. I hope you guys understood everything. Kindly do practice with me taking the paper and pen, and let me know in the comment section how beneficial are these videos. Kindly subscribe and share it with your friends. Be blessed, guys. See you in the next video.